Candy. The word candy is a noun that refers to a sweet treat, typically made with sugar or chocolate. It is often enjoyed as a snack or dessert. Candy comes in various shapes, sizes, and flavors, and is popular among people of all ages. Here are some examples of candy. 1. Chocolate bar. A solid block of chocolate, usually divided into smaller pieces. Examples include Hershey's, Snickers, or Kit Kat. 2. Gummy bears. Small, chewy candies shaped like bears. They are made from gelatin and come in a variety of colors and flavors. 3. Lollipop. A hard candy attached to a stick for easy holding. Lollipops often have different shapes and flavors, such as fruit or bubblegum. 4. Jelly beans. Small, bean-shaped candies with a soft, chewy center. They come in a wide range of colors and flavors, like cherry, lime, or blueberry. 5. Candy cane. A traditional Christmas candy, usually in the shape of a cane or hook. Candy canes are peppermint flavored and have red and white stripes. 6. Taffy. A chewy candy made by stretching or pulling a mixture of sugar, butter, and flavorings. Saltwater taffy is a popular example. 7. Hard candy. Solid candies that dissolve slowly in the mouth, such as butterscotch or peppermint candies. 8. Fudge. A rich, creamy candy made from sugar, butter, and milk. Fudge is often flavored with chocolate, nuts, or fruits. 9. Caramel. A soft, chewy candy made by heating sugar and adding butter and cream. Caramel is commonly used as a filling in chocolates or as a topping for desserts. 10. Marshmallow. A soft, spongy candy made from sugar, water, and gelatin. Marshmallows are often used in s'mores or as a topping for hot chocolate. These examples showcase the wide variety of candies available, each with its own unique taste and texture. Whether you have a sweet tooth or just want to indulge in a sugary treat, candy is a delightful choice.